Hey there, friends. Welcome to our digital adventure. Today, we're diving into something super important if you want to join the exciting world of digital money, Web3 wallets. Don't worry if it sounds techy. I promise we'll make it super simple and fun. Think about the wallet in your pocket or purse right now. It holds your cash and cards, right? Well, a Web3 wallet is like that, but for your digital money. But here's the cool part. Your digital coins don't actually sit inside this wallet. Instead, your wallet holds special digital keys that prove you own those coins and let you use them. It's kind of like having a special keychain that unlocks your treasure chest on the internet. Your Web3 wallet comes with two super important keys. First, there's your public key. Think of this like your home address or mailbox. You can share it with anyone. When someone wants to send you digital money, they send it to this address. Totally safe to share. Then there's your private key. This is your super secret key that unlocks everything. It's like the password to your email, the PIN to your bank card, and the key to your diary all rolled into one. This key gives total control over your digital money. So remember our golden rule: never ever share your private key with anyone. Now here's where things get interesting. When you're getting started with digital money, you have two main choices. Option 1, let a big company hold your money for you. It's like keeping your cash in someone else's safe. Seems convenient, right? But what happens if that company has problems, gets hacked, or just decides to lock you out one day? Your money could be stuck or gone forever. Option 2, keep your own keys in your personal wallet. This means you are in control. No one can block you or take your money without your permission. That's why we say not your keys, not your coins. If you don't have the keys, you don't truly own your digital money. Now let me tell you about something super important. Your recovery phrase. It's usually a list of 12 or 24 random words. Think of this as your emergency backup key. If you ever lose your phone or computer, these special words can bring back all your digital money. But here's the super important part. Keep these words somewhere super safe, like written on paper and stored securely. Never save them on your computer or phone where hackers might find them. So let's put it all together. A Web3 wallet is your digital keychain, not an actual money holder. Your public key is like your address. Share it freely. Your private key is super secret. Never share it. Keeping your own keys means you truly own your digital money. Your recovery phrase is your emergency backup. Guard it like treasure, and there you have it. You're now ready to start your journey into the exciting world of digital money and Web3. Remember, your keys, your coins. If you enjoyed this explainer, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun videos that make tech simple. See you next time on our digital adventure.